Understanding elementary shapes. Polygons. Classification of triangle, quadrilaterals, polygons, faces, edges, and vertices of polygons. Classification of triangles. Naming triangles based on sides. A triangle having all three unequal sides is called a scalene triangle. Triangle having two equal sides is called an isosceles triangle. A triangle having three equal sides is called an equilateral triangle. Naming triangles based on angles. If each angle is less than 90 degrees, then the triangle is called an acute angle triangle. If any one angle is right angle, then the triangle is called a right angle triangle. If any one angle is greater than 90 degrees, then the triangle is called an obtuse angle triangle. Quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral, if you remember, is a polygon which has four sides. You have two set squares in your instrument box. One is 30 degree to 60 degree to 90 degree. Set square, the other is 45 degree and 90 degree set square. You and your friend can jointly do this. Both of you will have a pair of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree set squares. Place them as shown in the figure. This quadrilateral is a rectangle. If you use a pair of 45 degree and 90 degree set squares, you get another quadrilateral this time. It is a square. Are you able to see that all the sides are of equal length? What can you say about the angles and the diagonals? If you place the pair of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree set squares in the different position, you get a parallelogram. Do you notice that the opposite sides are parallel? Are the opposite sides equal? Are the diagonals equal? If you use 4 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree set squares, you get a rhombus. If you use several set squares, you can build a shape like the one given here. Here is a quadrilateral in which two sides are parallel. It is a trapezium. Polygons. So far, you studied polygons of 3 or 4 sides known as triangles and quadrilaterals respectively. We now try to extend the idea of polygon to figures with more number of sides. We may classify polygons according to the number of their sides. Three-dimensional shapes. Here are a few shapes you see in your day-to-day life. Each shape is a solid. It is not a flat shape. Faces, edges, and vertices. In case of many three-dimensional shapes, we can distinctly identify their faces, edges, and vertices. What do we mean by these terms? Face, edge, and vertex? Consider a cube, for example. Each side of the cube is a flat surface called a flat face or simply a face. Two faces meet at a line segment called an edge. Three edges meet at a point called a vertex. Here is a diagram of a prism. Have you seen it in the laboratory? One of its faces is a triangle, so it is called a triangular prism. The triangular face is also known as its base. A prism has two identical bases. The other faces are rectangles. That is all in this lesson. Till then, keep learning.